What happens after I have been arrested and charged with a federal crime? Attorney Jason Bassett explains. Very often, when someone is arrested in federal court, it is the result of a federal agent having secured an arrest warrant and made the arrest pursuant to that warrant. This is unlike most state arrests, where the officer will arrest someone after observing them commit a crime. Once someone is arrested in the federal system, that defendant has to be brought before a magistrate judge without unnecessary delay. Once at the federal courthouse, the arresting agent brings the defendant to the U.S. Marshals Service, and the deputy marshals will allow the individual to speak to their attorney if they already have one. A pretrial service officer will speak to the defendant prior to the defendant's appearance in court, and that officer prepares a report, which includes a bail recommendation. The report is made available to defense counsel in the courtroom. Once in the courtroom, the defendant and their attorney will review the complaint and the pretrial services report. The defendant is advised of what the charges are against them, but they do not enter a plea at this time, and bail conditions are set. The final matter that arises during this first court appearance is the question of scheduling what's called a preliminary hearing, or a probable cause determination. The defendant is entitled to his hearing, and it is held within 14 days of the defendant going into custody, and or within 20 days if the magistrate judge releases the defendant. Jason Bassett, Esquire, has dedicated his practice to protecting the rights of individuals. Mr. Bassett brings a unique combination of skill, experience, and zealous advocacy to provide his clients the best possible outcomes.